Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. Over the weekend, Sydney and I went apple picking. I figured we would do it now because we are leaving very shortly for our vacation, and by the time we get back, the season might be almost over. So we went ahead and grabbed some apples. I have a bunch in the fridge right now for snacking and lunch boxes, but I thought I would go ahead and make some things with this. I want to make homemade applesauce in the crock pot. Love doing a homemade applesauce. It's warm and cozy and sweet and just so delicious. So that's on the agenda. I might make either apple fruit leather or dried apples or a baked apple bread or something. I don't know. We're gonna see where my inspiration takes me. I don't have like too many apples since there's just two of us here, but I do have some stuff that I want to make. I did just get in new Annalisa jewelry, which I love their jewelry. It's pretty much all I wear. I've been wearing the same bracelets and things and necklaces for forever because their quality is so good. I did go ahead and get these studs. These are just classic round studs. For some reason, I've lost all of my studs, so I have been really needing just a classic pair that I can wear and feel put together. I will probably bring these on vacation with me because they are so easy. I got that, and then I also got an anklet. It's been so long since I've worn an anklet, and I figured, I don't know, I would feel cute wearing that. And I like the gold, double layered, very simple, not overwhelming. I have tried it on. It's so comfortable, so when I walk, I don't feel it like stretching or like restricting my ankle or anything like that. And so I'm gonna go ahead and wear that on vacation as well. I do have a link in the description box below where you can go ahead and check out Ana Luisa. Nothing ever tarnishes or breaks on me or anything like that. I absolutely love and stand by their products and have been wearing them for at least a year. I can't even remember. It's been a very long time. And everything is like brand new. I have loads of bracelets and necklaces and earrings, as you know I've shared on this channel before. So yeah, definitely go ahead and check them out in the description box below because I so recommend their products. Yeah. All right, let's jump into it. Also, we are in the thick of field hockey, and I've kind of been recruited to help coach, so that's what we did last night. But it was really fun to bond with everyone from her grade and the other moms that are also helping coach, so that was super fun. She has a tournament on Saturday morning, so I don't know, I live for this stuff because it brings me back to when I was a kid, and I loved sports. I loved sports weekends. I loved the sense of community and bonding with friends, and then like running around, eating concession stand food. Your parents were, it's the vibes. I love it all. And then also now I'm gonna go ahead and start filming very soon some of our new routines. Since she's in 3rd grade now, we have some new routines going. We now have some homework after school, light homework, but it's just new for us. And then with sports, a couple of days a week versus just once on the weekends, a little bit different. So I gotta film some updated routines, or I want to, and I gotta get on that really soon. All right, let's peel some apples. I think the first thing I'm gonna make is applesauce in the crock pot, since, I mean, it doesn't really take that long, but I think that will be the first thing I make. So let's get myself situated. So I'm gonna use my old trusty crock pot. I do have that new slow cooker, like all-in-one slow cooker, but I've never made applesauce in it before, so I just don't wanna, I just don't want to chance it. So I like adding, when I'm doing homemade applesauce, I definitely add a little bit of brown sugar and cinnamon for some sweetness. But if I'm buying applesauce, I always buy the unsweetened just to be a little less added sugar. But this is decadent. I don't know if I have whipped cream, but my favorite way to eat this is with whipped cream and nice and warm. But this will be a really nice after school snack for Sydney. a little incentive to get a little bit of homework done, eat a nice yummy snack quickly, and then we can go play outside. All right. I don't measure either. Just throw a bunch of stuff in there. We're gonna throw in, I do, actually this time, apple picking, I got Max, so Macintosh, and some Cortland's, which I've actually never, this is not a good peeling knife. Anyway, what was I saying? I got Cortland's, which I've never tried before, but Sydney had one off of a tree and said she really enjoyed it. So we have a mix here, mostly Max though. I think this one's a Cortland. I'm very curious to know what it tastes like. I'm gonna try a piece. It's good. It's a little bit sweeter. Good stuff. All right. I have to stop talking. Got the apples. I'm going to do a generous sprinkling of cinnamon. I like it really spicy. And I'm going to sprinkle in some brown sugar. You don't need a ton, as long as your apples are, I guess it's to taste, but as long as your apples are sweet. And that's all I do. Put it on low. Going for about an hour now, so I'm gonna give it a little stir. Apples are getting nice and, oh my goodness, it smells so good. Apples are getting nice and soft, but still needs a couple hours. All right, took a quick break to fold some laundry and put that away. I still have some left to do though. And I'm gonna go ahead and make apple brownies. I found a recipe on Pinterest that looks easy and delicious. I just kind of don't want to take a lot of time right now and make something else. So we're gonna make apple brownies. It sounds so good. Very standard: butter, sugar, egg, flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, apple pieces. It does call for toasted pecans or walnuts or something. I'm kind of, oh, I do have walnuts. Maybe I'll throw walnuts in there. I was gonna say I can do it nutless as well, but I think walnuts would be good. I am gonna go ahead and do that. The day is flying by because I've been trying to get my ducks in a row for vacation. We're 6 days away as of the day that I'm filming this. And so I'm like, wait a minute. Make a list of everything that I need to finish getting done and like remember what time I need to be at the bus station and all of that jazz. So my brain is just occupied, like always. So yeah, apple brownies, let's do that. This cinnamon applesauce in the crock pot right now has me salivating. So we have some chopped walnuts, baking powder, salt, sugar, cinnamon, a stick of salted butter, cup of flour. Oh, and then I need an egg. So I think this is ready to start mashing. The apples have released a lot of juice. Everything is bubbly. Oh yeah, this is perfect.
I just have whipped cream on my...
Yeah, I'm not sure I have any. That's good. So Sydney is home. She's having her applesauce and apple brownie.
I don't like the nuts inside there.
You don't like the nuts inside there?
No.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. And we don't have any whipped cream, but usually I prefer whipped cream on the homemade applesauce. And then when she's done her snack, homework time. These are delicious, and I'm usually not the largest fan unless something's chocolate. I'm like, take it or leave it. No, these are so good. I will definitely leave the recipe down below, and I used a little less sugar than the recipe called for. And now Sydney is working on her IXL math.
Which is easy stuff. I'm already on 69.
I had to bring the vlog into the next day because we ended up playing outside after school. After homework, we played outside with friends, came inside, made dinner, FaceTimed my mom, and it was weird. The day was gone. So today, I have to run just some errands. I'm returning some library books. I'm currently at the post office and I've got a ship out package that I sold off Poshmark. I've been trying to save all of my Poshmark money for our Disney fund, so I'm going to cash that in before we leave and grab a gift card for that. Speaking of gift cards, I do have to run to Target and grab a Disney gift card because I don't have a physical one. I've basically paid for our entire trip using discounted gift cards. That's what I pretty much always do, but I want to have a physical gift card that I can use in you know, when we're there. So I've got to do that. I also want to try to find some glow necklaces, maybe glow sticks, but I really want to find like a Halloween glow necklace or something at the Dollar Tree, Walmart, Michael's. I'm not sure where I can find it, but my first stop will be Dollar Tree to see if they have anything super cheap for us to wear and identify our stuff with. That's a big tip that I have. What else am I doing today? I don't know. It's Friday, and then tomorrow we have to wake up super early for the field hockey tournament. So yeah, post office first and foremost. let's get that done. Post office and library returns, check. Next stop will be Dollar Tree and Target. So many items to choose from. I'm looking for a glow necklace, glow bracelet, something that lights up. Wow. If all else fails, we can get these. Because, I mean, we always could use glow sticks, but $1.75. What? So I ended up just getting the glow bracelets because I just don't really feel like checking a bunch of other stores today. We can always use those. So glow bracelets, and I also picked up a kid's travel toothpaste because I haven't been able to find anywhere, and I don't really want to bring the big thing of toothpaste. So, I mean, the toothbrush is fine. She's probably gonna laugh at it, but at least we have that. Next stop, gift card. These are so cute. Sydney's gonna be so excited the next time she comes in here, which we are barely ever here anymore, but she loves the Halloween stuff. So cute. I'm just browsing to see if they have randomly a really cute Halloween glow necklace. If not, the glow sticks are they're fine. It's fine. I just thought I would take one last look since I was in here anyway. I'm not seeing, not seeing anything, which is fine. In and out with just the gift card, but that's pretty much all I needed anyway. And now I think we can head home and get situated. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to check out the link to Ana Luisa's jewelry in my description box below, where you can check out all of their really high quality, affordable pieces. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.